Automated detection of diabetic retinopathy using convolutional neural networks on a small dataset. Abstract. Abstract includes keywords, existing method drawbacks, proposed method, step-by-step implementation block diagram, advantages and applications, and software and hardware requirements. Document. In document we can provide abstract, introduction, literature review, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, block diagram, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements, results, conclusion, references. Additionally, provide detailed information on MATLAB software, covering its history, capabilities in image processing, and specific steps involved in digital image processing relevant to your project. PPT. Automated detection of diabetic retinopathy using convolutional neural networks on a small dataset. Include the following steps: abstract detailing keywords, existing method, drawbacks, proposed method, implementation block diagram, advantages, applications, results, conclusion, software and hardware requirements, literature review, existing method, proposed method, block, advantages and applications, software and hardware requirements. Outcomes. Open the code files in the file manager and copy the path. Next, open MATLAB 2020 software, paste the copied path, click on the main.m file, and run the code. Select an image to process. The first figure shows the original input image, the second figure displays the resized image, the third figure presents the grayscale image, the fourth figure exhibits the clave applied image, the fifth figure illustrates the Gaussian blurred image, the sixth figure showcases the final grayscale image with enhanced features, the seventh figure highlights the final segmented image, the eighth figure indicates the classification results, the final image shows the confusion matrix, with metric values displayed in the command window. Thank you for watching. For more details contact 9030 333 433.